Today I'm coming to you from the village of Auburndale in Newton, Massachusetts. I'm here to show you one of the condos in this 3-unit condo association. You'll see there are beautiful front porches. They were recently rebuilt. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Welcome inside this 2-bedroom home. What I love, there's so many things I love about this, but the developer left many of the original period details, like the beautiful moldings. We have 2 full bays, one in the living room, one in the dining room, large windows, high ceilings, but he added recessed lighting and air conditioning and a whole lot more. Let's continue our tour. In case you didn't already know, I'm Sandy Siciliano with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Look at this beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, a breakfast bar, beautiful maple cabinets. The bathroom was just recently retiled, and I'm going to show you my favorite part of this condo. Look at this laundry room, and it has storage. Now I get to show you this beautiful, large backyard shared by the condo association. And just over the bushes here, we have your 2 parking spots. I'm Sandy Siciliano with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me today.